How to install a new WordPress theme. There are various ways to install a new WordPress theme. This video will show you how to install a theme from the WordPress repository. The WordPress repository has over 5,000 themes and plugins to choose from and includes free and premium. So let's get started. Go to the dashboard left side menu and hover your cursor over Appearance. Now click the Themes option, and then click the Add New button. From here, you can filter the results based on popular latest, block, and favorites. Use Feature Filter to customize your search preferences based on features you want for your theme. There are a variety of themes to choose from. Choose a theme and click on it to see its details in preview. You can now see the theme in action. You can install it directly from here by clicking the Install button, or you can close it, hover over the theme, and then click the Install button. Once installed, click the Live Preview button to see how your website will look using that theme. Once you have decided upon a theme, click the Activate button to finish adding it to your website. The WordPress theme will be installed on your website. You can start publishing content straight away. You can change the theme anytime you choose. There are additional ways to install a WordPress theme, for example, using an FTP program. However, if you are a beginner, we do recommend doing it this way initially. We hope this video proves helpful to you. Thank you for watching.